Pragnadeepa Learning Center.
Now Priya asked pair of linear equations in two variables. So now to begin with, what is the standard form of pair of linear equations in two variables, students? It is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. That is, if you combine two linear equations in two variables, you will get a pair. That is what we call it as a pair of linear equations. So geometrically speaking, the linear equation in two variables represents a straight line. So definitely this represents a straight line. Pair, there are two pair of lines. But how those two conditions looks? If suppose a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, andre ಏನು ನೀವು memorize ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ the coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x of another equation is not equal to the coefficient of y divided by coefficient of y. Then the lines is actually intersecting. Intersecting means it has unique solution. Unique solution andre you will get only one value of x and one value of y. I'm not telling x and y all one value sigatte antala. It's a pair solution. Pair means x comma y together is called a solution. You will get unique. So suppose if you plot, you will get across two lines itara sigatte. This is line 1 and this is another line 2, and that point that intersects is the solution x and y. This first situation. What is the other situation? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Either adre the lines are coincident. So what is the meaning of coincident? You take a line, there will be one more line on this line. Innond line alli irutte, idru mele irutte. So you will have many solutions. You will have many solutions. Suppose if a solution exists, then we call it as consistent. Artha agtideya Priya? Next, we have a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. The ratio of the x coefficient, the ratio of the y coefficients are equal, but that is not equal to the ratio of the constants terms. Then we tell that the lines are parallel. If the lines are parallel, it has no solution. Andre solution illa, exist agala. There is no common point between those two lines. What is the meaning of common point? No solution. Is that clear? So how it looks on a graph sheet? You have drawn one line and you have one more line like this. This is how it looks. You are done with the problem. Now suppose if a problem has a unique solution, andre intersecting lines bandra, you have three methods to solve this problem. One is graphical method. Of course, graphical method andre you have to use graphs. The second one is substitution method, and The next is elimination method. See, these methods are powerful, students. Maybe nimge gottirbodu. Arithmetic progression chapter madbekaru we use this idea, correct? Napka idea A and D calculate madbekare specifically. Of course, graphical method use madlilla, but still we use substitution method and elimination method. So let's quickly solve one problem in each method. Ready? Okay. Let's try. Take. Let us solve by using substitution method. Question number 1. 4x minus 3y is equal to 4 and 2x plus 4y is equal to 3. Let us solve using substitution method. One ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ fractions ಇರುವಂತ problem ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, challenge ಆಗಿದೆ. Let us try. Now what we will do, we will call this by equation number 1 and we call this by equation number 2. Any one equation you can take, either equation 1 or equation 2. X ಅಥವಾ y ಹುಡುಕೋಣ. Say for example from equation 1. From equation 1. 4x is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 4 plus 3y ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? Is it 4 plus 3y? Shift minus 3y to the right side, so you will get plus 3y. Next, x is equal to 4 plus 3y upon 4. So this is important, students. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗೆ ಇದೇ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನಾನು y ಹುಡುಕೋತೀನಿ ಇದರಿಂದ ಅಥವಾ ಇದರಿಂದ y ಇದರಿಂದ x ಹುಡುಕ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಓಕೆ. There is no rule that you should use this. Rule ಇಲ್ಲ. Now what we have to do, you have to substitute that. Substitute in equation number 2. Now ಏನ್ x calculate ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ from equation 1, you have to substitute in equation 2. Suppose if you have calculated something from equation 2, you have to substitute in equation 1. That's all. So now substitute. What happens? So 2 times x ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 4 plus 3y by 4 plus 4y is equal to 3. See, just I have substituted in the place of x. Simplify ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ students. ಈಗ simplify ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ next step ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2 1s are 2 2s are cancel ಆದ್ರೆ 4 plus 3y by 2 plus 4y is equal to 3. Correct alva? 2 times 1, 2 times 2. Now take the LCM. LCM ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 4 plus 3y plus 8y whole upon 2 is equal to 3. See, I'm writing step by step. Hopefully everyone are understanding. Can you give a quick reply, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Very Priya
Yes, sir.
ಹೇಳ್ತಾರದು. I hope everyone are doing along with me.
Yes, sir.
Now students, you can add the like terms and you can do the simplification. 8 plus 3 is what? 11. So 4 plus 11y is equal to 4 hange itkonidini plus 3y plus 8y is 11y. 2 right hand side equals to because it is a division, it becomes multiplication. So 3 2s are 6. So shift that plus 4, you will get 2. That means y is equal to 2 upon 11. Is it 2 upon 11? ನೋಡಿ ಈ ತರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಗ್ರಾಫಿಕಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ. Because in a graph you cannot easily understand 2 by 11, correct? In fact, it is less than 1. Tumba sಣ್ಣ number adu, rational number. So we got y. Now what we have to do? You have to find x. How you will find x? ಇಲ್ಲಿ already ಒಂದು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 4 plus 3y by 4. So 4 plus 3 into 2 by 11 by 4. 4 plus 3 into y by 4. So we know the value of y is 2 by 11. So just substitute. Now you do the number simplification. Number simplification ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? 11 4s are 44 plus 6 by 11 4s are 44. Correct? 11 into 4 is 44. 11 into 4 is again 44. So 44 plus 6, 50. So 50 by 44. And both are divisible by 2. So 25 by 22. So what is the value of x? It is 25 by 22. So x is equal to 25 by 22. It's the answer. Because ನೀವು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ elimination method try ಮಾಡಿ, you will get the same answer. But the procedure is different. You have to either eliminate x or eliminate y. Next, we will solve one problem of elimination. Usually when you have big number students, you can use elimination method to solve it easily. Try ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ bigger number ನೇ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡೋಣ. We will try. Okay, second question. Let us solve by using elimination method. X upon 2 plus 2y upon 5 is equal to 10. Okay, I'll do one thing. Plus 2 is equal to 10. And the second equation is 2x upon 7 minus y upon 2 plus 1 is equal to 9. I already mentioned that I will be taking quite bigger numbers, so we will take this. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ students, first equation observe ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದು ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ತರ ಹೈಪ್ ಇದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್. 2 ನ ಆ ಸೈಡ್ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? x by 2 plus 2y by 5 is equal to 8. Will you agree? Because 10 minus 2 is 8. Now take the LCM because the denominators are different. One kade 2 ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆ 5 ಇದೆ. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 5x plus 4y. Correct? X or 5x plus 4y. So 5 into x is 5x. 2 into 2 is 4. Divided by 5 2s are 10. ಏನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ ಇದನ್ನ? ಬಟರ್ಫ್ಲೈ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಬಟರ್ಫ್ಲೈ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? When the denominators don't have common factors other than 1. One the denominator is 2, the other denominator is 5. So butterfly method you can apply. So the first equation is nothing but 5x plus 4y is equal to 80. That is the simplified form of this equation. Or ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ equation ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದರದ್ದು complete simplification ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. Usually 2 marks question ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ತರ simplify ಆಗಿರೋದೇ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. But here I have taken a problem where it was not simplified. We have simplified. On similar lines, what you do, you do the simplification here. ಅದನ್ನ next sheet ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. This we will take for the next sheet. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂತ?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the second equation? Sorry. 2x upon 7 minus y by 2 plus 1 is equal to 9. Same procedure. Plus 1 ಆ ಸೈಡ್ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2x upon 7 minus y by 2 is equal to 8. So 4x minus 7y by 7 2s are 14 is equal to 8. See, equation 1 ನಿಮಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ equation 2 construction ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Because the procedure is same. Students understand the procedure is not changed. Procedure is same. ಈಗ 14 8 ಎಷ್ಟು? 14 8 100 and ಎಷ್ಟು? 14 8 was 32.
112.
Yes, Jayant?
112.
112. Good. 112. So now this is equation number 2, which is in the simplified form. But quick check ಮಾಡಿ a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Correct ಇಲ್ಲಿ? And exams allo ಅಷ್ಟೇ students, solve ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ they always ask the problem which you have like ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಯೂನಿಕ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈಗ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ 1 ಏನಿದೆ? 5x plus 4y is equal to 80. Second equation ಏನಿದೆ? 4x minus 7y is equal to 112. Just observe these two equations. Say suppose I want to eliminate x. Eliminate x ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅನ್ನೋದಾದ್ರೆ I have to make the x coefficient same. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಇದೆ. So what I can do, I can multiply by a number so that the x coefficient here and the x coefficient here should be same. And the simple thing is I multiply this by 4. I multiply by 4. ಯಾಕೆ ಅವಾಗ 20 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. And even I multiply by 5 here. See, 4 and 5 multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಸೇ 20 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 100 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನ 25 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 100 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ even that can also be the choice. You can multiply this by 20 and you can multiply this by 25. But the multiplication becomes so tedious. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So when you multiply by 4 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 20x plus 16y is equal to, see, many a times what happens is ಈ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ತುಂಬಾ ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿರಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು? 320. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? Now you multiply 5 to the remaining things. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 20x minus 8 ಅಲ್ವಾ? Correct. So what will be the thing? 20x 7 5 sorry 35y is equal to 112 ನ 5 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 12 5 60. 560 na? And change of sign is required because they are of not opposite signs. So minus plus minus. So you cancel this. Minus 20x plus 20x. So 16 plus 35 is 35 plus 16. Is it 51? 51y is equal to minus 240 na? Minus 240. Therefore, what is y? Minus 240 by 51. ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋಂತ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಾನು ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. If you can able to understand these type of problems, then if you get some integer answers, it should be easy for you. Doubt ಇದೆಯಾ? Can you people quickly try for x? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಡುಕ್ತೀರಾ? ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Minus 240 by 51. LCM ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. You can do Can you do it quickly? Bhuvan, class ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ? Yeah, sent an image question. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಭುವನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ತು ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್? ಭುವನ್ Bhuvan